Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Mighty. So in this video I will show you about Mighty. I will give a detailed review video of Mighty, and I will show you it from inside. Okay, and my second purpose is to show you my bonuses, which kind of or the like $6,397 bonuses will be given to you from my side totally free. And let me tell you that this is an approximate value. I am not sure what kind of bonus, that means I am not telling that bonuses are less than this, but bonuses are much higher than this, and I have put here just an approximate value. I will show you what kind of bonuses I am giving you. Let me start with this product, because this product has so many things to tell. That's why I am doing it faster to show you most of the things. Okay, so as you can see, this is a dashboard. This tool is all about kind of viral trafficking and traffic. By giving rewards to your friend, you can ask them, you can give them links, and they will be rewarded if they share your link. This is the main purpose of this tool. So I am in the dashboard now, and as you can see, this dashboard has showing some statistics. Okay, let me start with contests. So they are giving three type of contest. Number one is sweepstake, and second is photo contest, and the third one is public PLC contest. Okay, so let me start. Sorry, these are not sorry, let me correct myself. These are previously done contest, and let me start with add new contest. If I clicked on it, they are giving four options. Number one is exit intent or pop-up contest. Number two is sweepstakes contest, and the third one is photo contest, and the last one is public peak contest. Let me start with pop-up content. Okay, so as you can see, I am just put there any random name, and they are giving so many done for you, kind of 6 done for you. On your version maybe there will be more, because I have not purchased it, but I have got the review access from the vendor, from the owner. That's why I can show you this tool from inside. Okay, so as you can see, these are the templates. Let me view the template. Okay, use this template. Okay, you can edit anything you want. Okay, you have to just click on it, and the settings bar will be open here, and you can, after editing everything, you can just click on save and continue. Okay, maybe it is taking time. Okay, it has been successfully saved, and after that I have to choose the time of the how much time that will run, pop-up will run on your website, and I have chosen a week, and let me click on submit. Once I have clicked on submit, they are giving me HTML code, and I have to copy it, and I have to just paste inside my website, inside my content. Okay, whatever you want, you can pay wherever you want, you can paste it, and you can just see the pop-ups. And once people visit your website, and the pop-up shows that they will be gifted with Nike shoes, they will be just unknowingly just start sharing your link. Okay, so let me go through now the next option. Okay, so this is sweepstakes, so let me choose it. Okay, let me put any random name here. So it is taking time. Maybe this is kind of my internet is little bit slower. Okay, that's why it is taking time. Okay, let me show you from this page. Okay, so this meme is created by me, because I always people to laugh. Okay, I always want laugh on people's face. That's why I always try to create meme, and memes are that kind of tool that it can say so many words, 1,000 words inside one image easily. Okay, so it has been loaded. So as you can see, they are giving 6 templates also inside sweepstakes. So let me choose these. Okay, let me click on use templates. So once I have clicked there, and this has come, as you can see, you can just edit it just like the previous one, and click on save and continue, and you will be given kind of link. Okay, so here you have to put any kind of price, like Samsung phone, Samsung 5. Let me put any kind of phone, or and you can just just put there any coupon code, and because people like to have here awarded. Okay, you have to put here any download link. Let me put here this. Okay, and click on continue. Okay, so this is a crazy feature. As you can see, you can just select for viewing once your friend or people share your post, and if another one view that post, okay, he will be rewarded or she will be rewarded with 5 points. And once anyone sign up from that post, from that exact post, from clicking call to action button given on the post, okay, you will be rewarded. You can choose it. You can give them 10 points. If they socially share your post, you can give them 15 points, and if they refer their friend directly, okay, you can give them 20 points. Okay, and you can share it easily on your social media handles. So as you can see, this tool is literally fast, performance is very good, and you have to just, after doing everything, you have to just share this URL. You have to just put this URL anywhere, and people once people start using this URL, this tool, automatically you will be getting so many traffics. Okay, so the next one is photo contest. Let me click on okay, sorry, I am just forgetting every time to put a name. Okay, let me here also so many done for you templates also inside photo. Sorry, so this is also customizable, and let me choose any kind of, and click. This is kind of same, and coupon code. Okay, let me show you the another one, the last one. Okay, public peak contents. Okay, I am really what I am, I don't know. So it is taking time. Public contest. Okay, I think this contest will be kind of voting kind of pool. Okay, or kind of superhero voting, such kind of thing you can do. You can playfully get traffic on your website playfully. Okay, easily people unknowingly give you the data for you, I think. So once I have used this template, as you can see, these templates, all of the templates are very much crafty and premium. They are giving very premium look. Okay, so you can use it, and you can click the save and continue, and they are the same system as started here. And after getting the link, you have to share the link, you have to put the link, you have to give the link, and you have to know people, you have to tell people that you can reward them once they have start visiting. So, you can freely, there are so many free ebooks also outside internet, and you can give them as a reward, and you can get traffic so much. Okay, so this was the tool, and now let me show you the ratings and all of the cost and everything. So feature and facilities, it has got 96%, performance it has got 98%, ease of use it has got 94%, and value for money it has got 96%, and market hits it has got 97%. So as I have already shown you, there are so many feature and facilities, that's why I have given it 96, and performance it has got 98. This tool is literally fast and insane, and ease of use it has got 94%, cause I have showed to you that there are so many feature and facilities. That's why it is always, ease of use is always inversely proportional with feature and facilities, but there will be some exceptions also. Okay, so the value for money it has got 96%. As you can see, the value is literally very much cheap, kind of a large pizza. Okay, it costs only $17, and now choice is yours. You want to have a pizza, or you want to feed yourself with knowledge, with good stuff, with software, with a passive incoming software. Okay, so this is the price, and they are giving the early bird access also. You can get it within first 6 hours, and you can get it within this price. After that, the price will be surely higher. Okay, I let me give you a inside tips that the price will become to $19, and this will become to $29. Okay, so there are some description and key features. You can check out this by visiting this page by clicking the video description link, and you have to come to my page if you want to get the bonuses and also to access the product from my side. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. Let me go through the sales funnel very fast. Okay, so I have showed this is a front end product. I have showed it previously. And the first funnel is Mighty Gold, which costs $67, and the next one is Mighty Platinum, which costs $47. But you can go through this description also by visiting this page. Okay, so I don't want to make the video lengthy because it has already been lengthy. Okay, so Mighty Titanium, it costs $67. Oh, let me tell you, I have forgot to tell you that this vendor is literally a very renowned marketer, and he has more than 1 lakh sales. Okay, so this is a very popular and very reputed vendor. Okay, so they are giving also the money back guarantee, and they are just they just made their name, so you don't have to worry so much. Mighty done for you, $127. And the last one is Mighty Reseller Agency, which costs $97. Now let me go through the bonuses. Okay, let me do it fast also. So as you can see, for some of the bonuses I have put here just images, and some of the bonuses I put here just images and also a short description. Okay, because same thing is boring. So as you can see, after 50 bonuses I have put here the 300 plus bonuses. As I have told you that I told you previously that I am assuming the bonus costs maybe $6,397, but it is more than that, because these 300 staffs are also staffed with this kind of tools, this kind of softwares, SEO tools, like case studies, like video case studies, like PDF, okay, like software, okay, everything are staffed, everything are loaded inside it. That's why I have told you before that. Okay, so you are getting just 350 plus stuffs from my site totally free once you have brought the product from my site. And one of the surprising thing is I have put here just new images, around 10,000 plus images, and also music, 25 plus background music, free background music, which are kind of loop music. You can easily use them copyright free. Okay, so I have updated my bonuses, and it will be given to you from my site totally free. What you have to do that after purchasing the product, you should go through the option purchase history, and by clicking purchase history you can get this form after purchasing the product, obviously. Okay, you will be given this form, and on that form you have to click the access affiliate bonuses, and you can get all of the bonuses given to my site totally free. Okay, so this is a button that can redirect you to the product, to the software, and also the bonuses. So for this video I am signing out now, so bye bye.